brilliant. Only Harshal can come up with such mad things. And the energy, the passion, and the love for what they're doing is visible, it's showing, and that's amazing. I think every part was touching, all the stories, in bits and pieces, जो सारी stories बताई हैं, झांसी की रानी, मंगल पांडे, सारी stories बहुत बहुत heartfelt है और बहुत इसी तरीके से बताई है that it touches you and it pulls you in, and that's exactly what's happened.
I'm overwhelmed and I'm so proud of Harshal, and I hope and pray that this production does really, really well. I'll travel all across because the whole world needs to see it. I did not come with any kind of expectation. I loved it, enjoyed it. It was a spiritual experience for me.
Basically,
and I want to come
Harshal,
back.
you killed it.
Yes, Harshal, we love you and we wish this all the very best.
I think what better way to show Indian patriotism in a musical way, I feel. सब कुछ था, गाने थे अच्छे अच्छे, dancing था, patriotism था, और I think the casting of each character was fantastic. And Harshal, we worked with him as a choreographer. We did not know, I had no idea that he could act so well, and he's brilliant.
The soul of India. This name has been, I just feel that Harshal is going to come up with, I think, the essence of India, the colors, the costumes, the regions, no matter what, there is this driving force all over India, like which you see, where people are working hard, they are celebrating all the time. I'm expecting festivals, colors, lights, life in a lot of performances. And I will not say, like acts, because I know Harshal as a choreographer and as a performer also, that wo performance kaise nikal kar bahar aati hai, that really Harshal knows it the best. So I'm expecting that. I'm just like, I can't wait to go inside and watch it.
I feel
we didn't want this interval.
We didn't want the interval, no doubt.
Want it.
But we were expecting this from Harshal. So I think he's probably what we expected to say. Obviously, बहुत ज़्यादा मिला है, and he had us in tears. And it's amazing to see him perform. I don't think breathtaking. It's breathtaking. And I don't think anybody else could have done the way he's done it. His portrayal of all the characters, and as a Sutradhar, amazing. Waiting for the second half to begin.
I think what excited me the most is there is so much about my own history that I don't know. He's sharing so much knowledge. There are many things, like it's only halfway through and there are many things I already didn't know. So I think the main part is that he's sharing knowledge. People who cannot read much, people who do not study much about their own culture, he's giving it all, and with so much conviction, it's unbelievable. I'm getting goosebumps just talking about it.
I totally agree with her. The conviction is absolutely amazing. It's even as an audience, when people are performing on stage, the first thing that you need to do is convince the people, and he has done that, to another level. And yes, of course, some stories, the stories we know, there are certain hidden truths about it. Probably some of them we know, some of them we don't know. All of that coming to light with a lot of entertainment, with a lot of dance and drama, all of that put together. I think it's presentation in a different way altogether.
I think I just through all of this, I'm actually really overwhelmed right now. I just see his determination. It must have taken determination of I don't know what kind to set it up, to break through all the hurdles that he perhaps went through to set this up and then see this day.
There was a lot of heart, a lot of spirit with which we saw the dancers perform the way I've never seen anybody. And it's not about the perfection of the technique, it's about the hearts. The way they expressed every emotion. They were all standing after the curtains, they were all standing in a row, every single dancer weeping tears of joy and achievement. That just tells me how much of their efforts and life must have gone into making this, and it is phenomenal. I think it is a must watch.
The show was really amazing. I enjoyed the cultural aspects and the dances so much. And what I enjoyed most was this beautiful, unexpected message of peace and living together in peace at the end. I was wondering where Gandhi was, and then the message at the end just opened my heart. I had tears in my eyes. I think we all had them. It was really amazing.
One thing is for sure, that you have a very passionate heart and your dancers are super passionate as well. It was a thrill to watch because it was a different end to things, especially when you said stuff like, people told you that you should do a love story because that's what sells, and you decided to do something else. So I was sitting there and wondering, for a second I was like, no, this is not what I want to see. And that's good that you make people feel like that, because then I suddenly had the realization that art should take different forms, and art should be up to the artist. And that how he draws the audience into his story is the most important thing. And I think Harshal, you did a great job of that. I wish you and the Soul of India all the very best. I had a great time being in this audience. It makes me want to take up dance immediately all over again. Your dancers are superb, and I think so is your concept. All the best. Do well. I hope to see it more often on stage.